If you have a house that you want to sell, you're paralyzed, you don't know where to start, your house needs too much work, you don't want to sell your house and buy another home and have 2 mortgages. I don't care what your problem is. Myself and my team can solve it. Over the last 22 years, I've sold over 2,000 homes. I own Latham Realty Unlimited over here in Washington State. I'm a real estate agent. I'm an investor. I'm a contractor. We do it all. We're a one-stop shop. And so some people have me just buy their home and then they just stay in it until they find their next home. Some people have me sell their home. We get it sold for top dollar and we get a rent back from the buyers, and so they can make that perfect transition and not be homeless. Some people just have me come and put my money into their house, fix it up, and sell it for more for them. I have the team and the experience and the integrity to help you get the outcome that you're looking for. So what I want you to do is call me or text me directly at 425-345-4920, or you can send me a message here through Messenger, and I will respond to you rapidly. And we're just gonna have a quick 5-minute conversation. There's no cost, no obligation, no sales pressure, no commission breath, none of that crap, because we do enough business that I'm not gonna starve if we don't work together. I am merely here to help you achieve the goals and get the outcome you're looking for. So I look forward to connecting with you. God bless you. Have a great day.